Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Ronkexoxo. So on today's video, I'm going to be using my Maybelline foundation. I really do not remember the name of it, so just Maybelline foundation. Mix it with my NYX
Help me spread this message like Globacom. Make nobody come here, they come the phone. I know say no be everybody follow come. I know be every so be silicon. Make them no come they wash you. I make you do exactly what you want to. Make you no say I no tell you. Make you no let devil come to use you. But if I tell you say I love you, I beg you no go turn me to your move. That time 30 billion no go.
So first thing, I already primed my face. As you can see, I'm just going to blend in my, I don't know, I forgot the name of this thing I'm putting on my face, but anyway, I'm just gonna blend it into my skin and then put on a foundation. That's when I'll put on a foundation, guys. So today's makeup is all about the prom season. As you guys know, it's high school prom season. It's about to be lit. You can wear this to make like a prom season is so lit, like bomb. Like just itch your girl, like it's HIT, itch your girl up to do your makeup, like for real. So you guys can be lit, can be bomb to your makeup, like to your prom, like yeah. So guys, now when I tell you editing is so hard, that's why I don't like editing, because it takes me a freaking long time. It can take me about, one video can take me about maybe 3 months just to post it. That's how bad I am in editing. Like, it is so hard. Because right now, as you can see, I'm doing my eyebrow, like it's just backwards, but just watch it, I guess. It is. So I'm just doing my eyebrows, brushing it up, and shaping it up. And one thing I like to put on my eyebrow is they got to be glue gel. It just holds my eyebrow like on point without moving. So you guys can try that out. It's super cool. And yeah, I'm just shaping my eyebrow using my eyebrow NYX pencil in brown, I guess. And yeah. So guys, I'm going to be using my Revolution concealer. I super love this concealer because it's so bomb. Like, it shaped my eyebrow so good. That's my only grail, y'all. So I'm just gonna use that and shape my eyebrows. Yes.
Bêtement folle ma chérie, c'est ça que j'aime. Taille de Polia pour noyer tes problèmes. Fais le vide dans ton esprit. Fais le vide dans ton esprit. Ma chérie, faut que tu respires. Ma chérie, faut que tu respires. Je ferai de mon mieux, chérie, pour t'épauler. Attache ta ceinture car on va décoller.
Guys, I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow using first I just need to conceal it using my Revolution concealer. I'm just gonna put that on and let's start with the eyeshadow. Okay, like I told you, I'm really bad in editing my videos, but in doing my eyeshadow, I accidentally forgot that I was not recording. I realized that I was not recording. I was so pissed off. But yeah, but you're going to see me how I did my lower eyeshadow though, because that's what's really the hardest part of it. So yeah, right now, like I told you, my video addiction, like I need more practice. I need to go to class for that because I'm poor. Like, look how backwards this video is. I'm so sorry, y'all, but just keep on watching. Slay for your boo. Like, slay it. Right now I'm just concealing my eyes, and yeah, just using the same concealer, using the Revolution, and yeah, just gonna conceal my eye every to bring out my necessary juicy buttery palm wine looking face. Okay, you just want to bring that out. All right, and yeah, so guys, I'm just gonna be blending my eye concealer. Okay, and after blending it, and then I wait for about maybe 1 minute to maybe 50 seconds to put on my flour, like the what's it called, the what's the powder the other powder called, baking powder. Baking powder, that's what it's called. I'm just gonna set that where I put my concealer. Okay, and yeah. So before I set my face, I like to use my Tarte concealer to just add more additional concealer to brighten up my face, just to make that on the eye pop, I guess. Yeah, and then I set my face. So I'm just putting it on right now. I feel like it's just way too much. Okay, you don't need this too much concealer. I'm looking like you really don't need it. I'm looking like Olujuju Calabar, like Ojuju Calabar. If you don't know what that means, it means masquerade. Right now, I'm just going to be contouring my face using the Anastasia palette, and yeah, just contouring that cheekbone. We gotta let that cheekbone pop, yeah. Like, we are not playing. I am not playing with y'all. Like, we gotta slay that face. Right now, I'm just baking my face. Like you can see, I love powder. Like, I could put a whole powder on my face and not be looking ashy. Alright, so yeah. And then after putting the flour, I use my the other powder to bring all that out, like just to make sure it's not too white, or yeah, you know what I mean. Just do the necessary things. Now to the bottom eye, which is the hardest part of all. Like I literally, like, this thing went inside my eyes. Like, I'm not joking. So with your bottom eye, all you want to do is you need a white concealer so that color can pop. Okay, you can't just put it right there. It's just gonna move. So you need something to like make sure it does not move. Okay, so like when I tell you this thing is real, like literally this thing went inside my eye. I'm not joking with y'all. Like, don't play like that. Okay, it's so hard. Okay, so I'm just keep putting on the, like, just keep on putting on the powder, like the color. So yeah, that's all. Like, this thing is just not comfortable for me. Like, if I were to wear this every day, I would say no. The bottom lashes is ridiculous, but it's cute though. If you want to rock that cute days, you could wear that bottom lashes. Like I told you, y'all, my video is horrible. Like, for this one, this is the horrible one of my video I've ever had. All my videos are backwards, and I don't have time to be going back and fixing it. It's just so terrible. And yeah, right now I'm just going to be using lining my lips, using my eyebrow pencil just to line the lips. And on today's lip color is just going to be simple nude color, like nothing too dramatic, just nude. Okay. And yeah.
People like that. I'm my Angelina. With my Angelina. Oh, me all down. Anytime when I see you for the club or the television, your body. Sure you know say the thing when you carry 50 kill somebody. You know I feel a vibe, you feel a vibe, so baby whine about me. Yeah, and I know you shy, but it's cool when we're making love. On the low, on the low, on the low, on the low.
As you can see, putting on this lip combo is so like hard. The struggle is like real. Looking like a cheesy whatever it is. It's just so terrible with my lip color, but at the end of it, it looks perfect. It looks great. Okay, you just need to work out how your lip is and all that good stuff. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is just to I like my face, and then we are all set to go. So guys, I'm just going to be highlighting my face, because we gotta shine, like we gotta glow. Like, your girl gotta glow for prom, even though I'm not going, but you guys can try this. This is more of like a dramatic prom makeup look, classy, like but yeah, your girl gotta glow, honey, sis. Like, you gotta glow. If you don't glow, who are you, boo? Who are you? You got to glow, boo. I'm going to be using my Badesco. I really don't know how to pronounce that shit, but I'm sorry. I really don't know how to pronounce that, but it's a setting spray that I use. I love it. Okay? And that's what I use just to set my face, to make everything, process, I guess. So yeah, your girl is looking great, honey. Sis, we gotta glow for this prom. By the time you go inside that place where they do their prom, you not go recognize your girl. Like, you've got to glow. Okay? They gonna be looking like you, sis. What's up with you? Like, you are glowing. You are cool. Okay? Like, we gotta get that spirit of just to shine. I believe I can shine, okay? We gotta glow, boo. So guys, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry, it's not even the end of the video, okay? Because we gotta blush, okay? We need a blush. And to blush, to smile, okay? So I'm just gonna be using my blush. I know it's too much, but right now you could have, if it's too much, all you got to do is to use powder and make everything settle in. Okay, so like gradual process, it's looking good right now. Like it's coming up, sis. Like, you know what I'm talking about, okay?
So now me you could love forever. I'm a cocky no feeble letter. I'm a Angelina.
So guys, this is the end of the look, and yeah, and hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoy this video because this is a bomb makeup look, and I'm really sure that you're going to have a wonderful, glorious, fun prom season. I love you guys. Bye y'all. See you guys. Bye.
Make them look on they wash you and make you do exactly what you want to. Make you no say I don't tell you. Make you no let devil come to use you. But if I tell you say I love you, I beg you no go tell me to you. Ginger, and make we do the live show. Yeah.